Okay guys, in this video I was asked, how do I start making my eyeball if I want to model a human head? And it'd take way too many parts to model a human head, and I'm not that great at it anyway. So I'm going to show you how to get started with the eye. Okay, so let's go in here. I'm going to select my pen tool like this. I'm going to go over here and make sure Make Quads is unchecked. Okay, now I'm going to go in here. Let me set up my plane here. That looks good, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to draw my shape of my eye out, just real rough, like so. Bring it down there like that, and maybe back up here. Bring this up a little, and then maybe over here. Something like that looks okay. Spacebar, drop the tool, click to deselect everything. Now as you can see, I have this little rough shape. So let's go to our edge mode, let's select our edges, and let's hit the Z key for edge extend and click to activate the tool. Now I'm going to bring it out a little bit like this forward. I'm going to shift click to activate the tool again to give me another piece of geometry there, and I'm going to pull it out a little more. And I'm going to hit the space bar to drop the tool. Then I'm going to hit the T key to go into element move. Okay? And I'm going to select my scale or hit the R key. Okay? And I'm going to go in here and scale it up from the middle. Like that right there. Space bar, drop the tool. Okay? Let's go to polygon mode. Select that middle polygon and delete that sucker. Now as you can see, when I hit the tab key, we got the beginnings of an eye here, so let's go back into edge mode and let's select these edges just as an example. Let's Z key to edge extend those, and let's extend these up like this. Spacebar, drop a tool, tab, go back into our sub D mode. Now it's a matter of going into element mode, and let's just tweak these around like so, where you got what you think is a good looking eye. Of course, you know, this takes skill. Skill that I really don't have, okay, as a modeler. I'm more of a product shots type of guy. I'm not a very good organic modeler, but that's not to say some of you are not, okay, because I know some of you are very good organic modelers. Okay, so now we got this basic little eye here, as you can see. Now we could go on and work on this a lot more, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here to show you guys how to get the basics of it down, okay? And I think this right here is a good place to start with an eye. Now of course you go back into polygon mode and it's gonna look funky on you, okay? So you're just gonna have to deal with that a little bit. We'll deal with topology issues later. Okay, now you can see our shape coming that we got here. Let's pull this back like so. Okay, now you see what we're getting at here. Now we got the beginnings of an eye, and you can work out from here and make your face. Remember, you can always use your edge loops and loop slices to keep your geometry in check. So don't forget about those. You want to keep the flow of your geometry. You don't want it getting. You want to stick with quads if possible. Okay. Now you can see we're getting a good shape of an eye there. And we just need to build out from there. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps.